The Citroen Ami, a tiny, quirky electric vehicle, is set to undergo a transformation for 2025, and for those who appreciate a blend of retro charm and modern electric mobility, Citroen has a special treat. Enter the Type Ami, a new conversion kit designed to give the Ami a nostalgic makeover that feels like it came straight from the post-war French countryside. With the help of Italian Coachbuilder Caselani and the Citroen Style Center, this little EV is being reimagined into something truly unique. The Type Ami is the brainchild of David Obendorfer, a designer known for his ability to reimagine classic Citroens while maintaining the old-school charm that makes them so beloved. Obendorfer's portfolio includes designs like the Type H and Fourgonnette van conversions, which updated modern Citroen models such as the Jumpy, SpaceTourer, and Berlingo, but with a nostalgic twist. His latest project, the Type Ami, draws heavy inspiration from the Citroen Type H van, a staple of French utility vehicles that was produced from 1947 to 1981. What makes the Type Ami truly stand out is its use of fiberglass body panels designed to mimic the corrugated metal look of the iconic Type H. These panels transform the Ami's tiny and modern look into something that feels nostalgic and full of character. The kit includes all the necessary hardware, brackets, screws, and more, to make installation as smooth as possible. However, it keeps the essential parts of the donor vehicle intact, such as the greenhouse, door mechanisms, and lighting units. This means the Type Ami retains its electric functionality while sporting a fresh, vintage appearance. Citroen enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the Type Ami isn't just a one-off. Initially, the project was meant to be a personal creation for Fabrizio Caselani, the founder of the coach building company Caselani. But after showcasing the first working prototypes at the 24-hour Citroen 2 CV race in Spa-Francorchamps, Belgium, the response was so positive that it was decided to make the Type Ami a commercial product. To ensure the design stayed true to the Citroen brand's ethos, the final version of the vehicle was refined in collaboration with the Citroen Style Center, earning the official stamp of approval from the French automaker. The Type Ami will officially debut at the Retro Mobile show in Paris on February 5, and pre-orders are already open for those eager to get their hands on this nostalgic little EV. Prices for the conversion kit start at €13,000, roughly $13,400, with a standalone conversion kit available for existing Citroen Ami owners at €5,000. For those in Europe, the Type Ami is classified as a heavy quadricycle, meaning that even 14-year-olds can legally drive it, much like the Fiat Topolino and Opel Rocks Electric. This makes the Type Ami not only a stylish, retro option for adult drivers but also a great entry-level vehicle for younger drivers interested in electric mobility. While the exterior has received the full retro makeover, the Type Ami's electric motor and battery remain unchanged from the original Ami. It still features the same 8-horsepower electric motor and a 5.5 kWh lithium-ion battery, offering a top speed of 28 miles per hour. Though it may not be built for high-speed thrills, the Type Ami is designed for city driving, offering an eco-friendly, fun, and fashionable way to get around. For those who want a touch of personality in their electric car, the Type Ami offers something special. Buyers can choose from 9 standard colors, or opt for custom paint matching for a truly one-of-a-kind look. Whether it's the charming retro appeal or the practicality of an electric vehicle suited for urban living, the Type Ami brings together the best of both worlds. As Citroën continues to innovate with electric mobility, the Type Ami serves as a reminder that even the smallest cars can have the biggest personalities. Its mix of modern electric technology and classic design makes it an exciting prospect for anyone looking for a distinctive vehicle that stands out in a crowd. With its affordable price point and eco-friendly features, the Type Ami is sure to capture the hearts of drivers across Europe and beyond.